Deep in the heart of the forest, where nature breathes in harmony, a small fox embarks on a journey to strength, energy, and balance. Every movement is a dance of life, every breath a melody of the universe. She begins her day with yoga, stretching her muscles, finding balance between body and soul. Under the starry sky, she meditates, absorbing the energy of the cosmos. Running through the winding forest paths, she feels the rhythm of nature, strengthening her heart and lungs. Push-ups and powerful exercises make her stronger, more resilient, more confident. Every challenge she faces is an opportunity to grow. Every leap another step toward greatness. She embraces the cool waters of the lake, swimming with ease, flowing with the currents of life. Through practice and perseverance, she finds harmony between mind, body, and spirit. The fox teaches us that the path to health and vitality is paved with self-love and connection to the world around us. Let's follow her journey, unlocking the healing power of nature and our own inner balance. Join us on this path and let the mantra of health guide us to light and joy.